In a world moving faster than ever, passive income has become the dream for millions. Money that continues to flow even when you're not actively working. And what many people don't realize is that AI has quietly opened doors that didn't even exist a few years ago. Today, we're looking at 3 surprisingly powerful ways to use AI for passive income. Methods that are real, practical, and simple enough for anyone to start. And along the way, I'll explain what truly matters if you want AI to work for you, especially as competition grows. The first method is creating and licensing AI-generated stock media. Not long ago, making stock footage or images required professional gear, lighting setups, perfect locations, and expensive production. But now the entire process has transformed. With the right AI tools, you can generate high-quality images, videos, backgrounds, and artistic visuals that look completely professional, and upload them to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, and Motion Array. Every time someone downloads your media, you get paid, and the same file can keep earning for years. But here's what most beginners miss. Anyone can generate images, but not everyone can guide AI properly. Your prompts decide whether you create something ordinary or something that looks cinematic. And in the stock world, quality is everything. The competition is still okay right now, but it's rising fast. So if you want to stay ahead, you must train yourself to write strong, detailed prompts that produce unique results. Prompt writing improves naturally with practice. The more you experiment, the better you understand how to describe lighting, mood, realism, colors, and camera angles. You can learn from tutorials, prompt libraries, or by studying the best-selling stock assets online. And if your early uploads don't sell, don't worry. Almost everyone goes through that phase. Just refine your prompts, explore new niches, and keep adjusting. The connection between you and AI is built through clear prompts. The better you express your vision, the better your results become. Moving to the second method, AI-driven niche audio content is turning into a quiet goldmine. Most people think you need a studio or a deep voice, but AI can write scripts, narrate them with realistic voices, and add soothing music. This makes it easy to create channels based on sleep stories, nature sounds, meditation tracks, affirmations, and focus loops. And these channels keep earning on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Music long after you upload the content. But just like with stock media, there's a deeper layer that separates average creators from those who actually make passive income. To succeed in audio content, you need consistency and emotional awareness. AI can generate words, but you guide the mood. You need to know how to ask AI for a warm tone, slow pacing, or calming descriptions. If your prompts shape the audio in a personal and soothing way, listeners return daily, especially for sleep and meditation tracks. Improvement here comes from experimentation. Try different narrator styles, different background sounds, different storytelling approaches. Watch how people respond. If the start isn't strong, don't panic. Use that feedback to refine your prompts and adjust the emotional direction of your content. In audio, trust develops slowly, but once people start making your tracks part of their routine, your income becomes steady and reliable. Now for the third method, something that surprises almost everyone. Creating tiny AI-powered tools, also called micro SaaS, without writing a single line of code. For years, people assumed software required programming, big budgets, and a team. But AI and no-code platforms have changed everything. Today, you can build a simple tool that solves one specific problem for a niche audience, and people will pay monthly to use it. The secret is choosing a narrow purpose. Maybe a tool that writes property descriptions for real estate agents, or product titles for online sellers, or social media captions for fitness creators. You don't need a long list of features. One useful feature is enough if it saves people time. To make this method successful, you need to understand the user's real problem. AI generates the content, but only you can guide it toward the right style and tone. That means shaping your prompts around the language and needs of the audience you're helping. If the tool is for Etsy sellers, your prompts must sound like e-commerce language. If it's for real estate agents, your instructions must match how agents describe properties. The more accurately your prompts reflect the user's world, the more valuable your tool becomes. And the best part is that building these tools is easier than most people imagine. No-code platforms like Bubble, Glide, and Softer handle the structure. AI provides the intelligence. Once the tool runs smoothly, subscriptions become automatic. You only need to make small updates or answer occasional questions. And just like that, you have a tiny digital product earning money month after month. So these are 3 surprising but powerful ways to use AI for passive income. Whether you're generating stock media, producing relaxing audio content, or building small AI tools, everything comes down to one skill: communicating clearly with AI. Prompts are not just instructions. They're the bridge between your ideas and AI's output. The better you write them, the better your results will be, whether you are making visuals, audio, or software. Practice daily, refine your approach, and treat AI like a creative partner. Because in the future, the people who master AI communication will always stay ahead.